Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Grizzly G0588 sliding panel saw. Extremely low use. I would pretty much say it's in about as clean of condition as you can find used. "12-inch blade capacity." It does have scoring. It does not have a scoring blade in it, but it does have a scoring unit. "118-inch stroke. 7.5 horsepower, 220, 440 volt. As you can see, I mean, even when you look at the tables, very, very light use on this machine. Go ahead and turn it on. Does include the manual. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.